Welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. This is the last Fresh Noodle Fridays of the year because I'm heading out on vacation, so don't expect anything next week or the week after because I will be away. So yeah, today we're going to be making pasta alla gricia. Or is it gricia? I'm not sure. It's Italian. It's a Roman style dish. So think carbonara, think cacio pepe, and it is kind of similar in that vein. So carbonara has egg, pepperoni cheese, and pepper, whereas cacio pepe is pepperoni cheese and pepper. This one, oh I forgot, carbonara has guanciale as well. This one here, gricia or gricia, has guanciale, pecorino, and pepper. It's a super indulgent and rich, creamy pasta dish that just reminds me of Rome and my time in there, and I really like it. It's perfect. It's one of those stick to your bones kind of dishes, and it's super freaking tasty. Down to a nice glass of Chardonnay. And enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we've got our ingredients here. We're gonna begin with our pecorino cheese. It's gonna be about 1 cup. And we have about 1 cup as well as guanciale, your choice of pasta, it's pasta dough, and some pepper. So I'm going to begin by grating my pecorino cheese on the finer side of the grate, just like so. And it's going to be equivocate to 1 cup. Oh my gosh. Then we're going to begin by chopping up our guanciale, just into little cubes here. And I like to put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes before slicing it because it makes it a little bit easier. Otherwise, it's a little bit finicky to chop up, so FYI. So we're gonna cut them into cubes, just like lardons, just like that. We're gonna bring a pot of heavily salted water to a boil here and cook off our pasta till al dente. We're gonna put the guanciale into a cold cast iron pan over medium to medium high heat and allow for the fat to render off. And once it's all browned like this, we're gonna go ahead and slot out the cooked guanciale over to a plate and reduce the heat to low. We're now gonna go ahead and save about 1.5 cups of pasta water while we drain out our cooked pasta. And then bring up the heat back up to about medium. With that wonderful fat in the pan, we're gonna go ahead and blossom our freshly ground black pepper. And we're gonna use a generous amount here, really quite a bit, at least a teaspoon and a bit. Start to insert that cooked starchy pasta water, I cannot speak, and allow that to boil off. And then we're gonna add our cooked guanciale back into the pan, and we're gonna add a little bit more of that starchy pasta water. See how it begins to emulsify with the cooked guanciale fat, just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of the cooked pasta in there. We're gonna begin to toss in that wonderful sauce, and of course, add in our grated pecorino cheese and gradually add it in until it's all mixed up, just like that. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you more next week. Bye!